Model, 69-plate Citroen Berlingo M diesel 1.5 BlueHDi 1000Kg driver 100 PS fully loaded body, white, panel van mileage, 185295 MOT. The 29th of September 2023 engine, 1499 cc BLUEHDI 100 DV5RD transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, even has rear-view vision factory, it has a full service history from Citroen and DAF Commercials. It is top of the range with comfort seating, reverse and side cameras, front and rear sensors satnav, air-con, folding electric mirrors, and it has a folding passenger seat to take long loads. Fitted, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very